SHACMAN 6.4 water tank truck. A powerful solution for road construction and maintenance, built on a reliable SHACMAN heavy-duty chassis. The 6.4 drive system provides strong traction and stability. Equipped with a large capacity water tank for efficient water transportation, the durable tank body is designed for long-term operation. The rear sprinkler system provides effective road watering and dust suppression. The external water outlet valve allows quick and convenient water discharge, suitable for road cleaning, construction sites, mining areas, dust control, reliable performance for different working environments. Inside the SHACMAN cab, ergonomic design for comfortable driving, clear dashboard layout, and convenient controls, designed for long working hours. SHACMAN water tank truck, built for global construction projects. Contact JNHTC Truck for more information.